You know what today is? It's your birthday. Happy birthday, Riker. That's my good boy. I love you so much, dude. You're 3 today. Yeah. I got you whenever you were like 5.5 months old and you were already 10 pounds. You were a big baby. Funny thing is you were the runt of the group. Yeah, you were the littlest one. Now you're such a big old baby. And I love you so much. Yeah. It's a good boy. You have helped me through so much over the last 2.5 years. I swear. Wouldn't trade you for the world. Happy birthday, baby. I love you.